everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class W205. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system. This system comes with the newest Android 10.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon Octa-core CPU. It also comes with 4GB of memory and 64GB storage memory. It also supports the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and navigation as well. Okay, this system also supports the 4G LTE. The SIM card is gonna be on the side of the unit. You can just insert the SIM card and access to the internet without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone. And this system is actually come with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. You can see that the resolution of the screen is very nice. And then you also support the command button at the center console. You can also use this one to control the screen as well. It's very nice. It's also fully compatible with the original NTG manual. Original Mercedes software is right here. You can also change it to half screen as well. Okay, you can, right now you have the full screen of the backup camera. You also support the original camera too. You can see that this is the original camera here. All the active guideline is going to be maintained the same, and the resolution is much better than before because this one comes with the high definition screen. And this one also support the Wi-Fi internet. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi internet after. Okay, so first of all, this system require the USB. So in the package, it will come with the USB adapter. The USB is going to be installed in the armrest. Every time when you use the system, you basically just need to go to the media interface. Depends on which USB you connect to. We connect to the USB 1. So when you see USB AUX, choose this one. When you see this menu, click on the screen, then it will be fine. Now you can use the system. I'm going to talk about the navigation first. The navigation is off now. You don't need to connect any Wi-Fi to use the navigation. How to use the navigation? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here, and then new row, and then you can enter the address here. Okay, you also come to US and Canada as well. We can also preload some of the map according based on your area and country. You know, we also provide the worldwide shipping as well. So this one actually is very nice. This is the music right here. The sound actually is very nice. Okay, this system also supports the Burmaster sound system. You can see that. This is the Burmaster sound system here. You also support all the steering wheel control. You can also use this one to pick up the phone call, control the volume. Everything is gonna be fully compatible. Okay, so this one actually is very nice, and this one also comes with a built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do that after. So this is the telephone, also the Bluetooth. The original Bluetooth will still be working. Okay, you can still connect back to the original Bluetooth instead of the new one if you don't want, if you prefer the original Bluetooth interface. So this system also supports Wi-Fi. How to connect to the Wi-Fi? Just go to the setting and then Android and then network. Right now we connect to the Wi-Fi here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, you can basically use the Google Map here. This is the newest version of the Google Map. This one will also provide with the offline feature. That means you can use the Google Map without connect to any Wi-Fi. How to do that is basically just log into your Google account, the Gmail account, and then you can see the offline map features right here. It also comes with the voice control, TD band, it's really responsive. Okay, other than that, you also support the internet browser. You can also access to the internet, but this one of course you require Wi-Fi too. Okay, so other than that, you can also watch the YouTube. The YouTube is very nice. It also supports the HD screen as well. Okay, this system also comes with the video in motion. You also support all the temperatures right here. You can also see the temperatures right here. Alright. We also preload some of the application like the Spotify, like the Tubi. Tubi is something like Netflix. Okay, you can also install it on the system as well. It's for free. You can also watch a lot of movie here. You can also use the command button to control it. It's very nice, fully compatible. Other than that, you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also play the movie from the USB as well. For example, it's like this. Now, it also comes with the dashboard here. That means you can also support the RPM when you turn on the car. For example, you can see that it will also show up on the screen as well. Okay, this one you can also change the color according to your personal preference. Okay, it's very nice. We can also increase the brightness of the screen. If your car does not come with the original camera, you can also install the aftermarket camera too. How to do that is go to the setting, system, camera selection, aftermarket camera or OEM camera, depends on the preference of your vehicle. I'm gonna show you some setting about the system, okay? After the installation, if you have any issue for displaying the original screen, then that means this screen, this original Mercedes Benz screen, that means the resolution need to be adjusted. How to do that? Just go to the setting here, go to the FATI 1314, and then click on OK. Do not change anything here, okay? And then just go to the car display here. You can just change the resolution according to your car, original vehicle. All right. If it's right-hand drive, then you can choose this right-hand drive as well. It also supports the original voice control button here. All right. So I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay. First of all, you need to bring out the iPhone.
Please repeat.
And then connect to the Bluetooth first.
For which functions do you want help? Change disk.
Cancel.
Select track. Cancel.
Okay, and then go here, enter the password 00040, and then once you connect to this one, then you can just go to apps, open the SpeedPlay. By doing this, make sure you turn on the Wi-Fi on both sides, but do not connect to anything. Here we go. This is the Apple CarPlay, and it's very smooth. Okay, it's wireless Apple CarPlay too. It's perfect, and it will also support everything on the screen. You can also use the navigation right here. You can also listen to the music from the Apple CarPlay, make the phone call. You can also check the calendar here, and then check the message over there, and then it's the Waze, WhatsApp, everything is fully compatible. If you want to go back to the original screen, then basically just click on car, and then you can use all the features of the original system. This system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please feel free to contact us. We will be more than happy to assist you. Goodbye. I will see you in the next video.